Sarthak, have you heard? Databricks now finally support reading Excel files directly.
Wait, no more converting Excel to CSV before uploading.
Exactly. Now you can upload Excel files into Spark data frame using built-in functions.
That's huge. Makes data onboarding so much easier. How does it work?
It's so simple. Let me show you in the demo. I have uploaded an Excel file to Volume. Now let's read it directly with Spark.
That's literally it. No pandas, no external libraries, no manual conversion.
Exactly. You can even pick a specific sheet using sheet name. Super handy for multi-sheet workbooks.
And of course, once it's in Spark, you can convert it to Delta, clean it, transform it, anything.
Excel, Spark, Delta, all native now.
Try it today. Databricks just made Excel onboarding effortless.